Within My Organization, the Public Forum tab is where you will choose your desired features, and that really shapes the experience that your parishioners will have. But before we get in the weeds of the features, let's take a quick look at the critical text fields. In the top two fields, you'll put in your organization's website and your support email. This will be displayed at the header of your form. Next, you have the header text box, and this is a customizable message for your parishioners. It can be whatever you like it to be, whether it's a special message from the pastor or a safety disclaimer. This is where you will talk directly to your parishioners. And finally, the last text field on this tab is the confirmation directions and help. This is another customizable field. Your parishioners will see this after they have completed their reservation. So this is a nice spot to tell them that you can't wait to worship with them, or further instruction for how they can gather safely for your upcoming services. Don't forget to save your organization.